Good morning. This is the second part of our SurveyMonkey instructional. I am now on the SurveyMonkey website. It's my account. Welcome back. I'm signed in already. And there's the monkey SurveyMonkey logo. This is the dashboard. Now we're going to go right over here. Create. Time to send. They tell me no activity. Time to send another survey. Okay. Well. Okay. We'll go here. See if this works. I don't like the one in Microsoft Teams. Okay. Create. Okay. Let's see what it takes me. Oh. Build it for me. Build it myself. Well, you know, I'm independent, so I'm going to build it myself. I don't need anybody to build it for me. Start from scratch. You got start from scratch. Start from template. Build it for me. Beta. I'm going to start from scratch. Okay. Then you got a nerve. Then it takes you here. Name your survey. Let's see. Okay. Let's crawl it. Let's see here. Okay. I got one. Let's see. Do. You two okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Do you respond to surveys? Survey category. And we go to survey category. Let's see what our drop down tells us here. Survey category. Okay. Now let's see if this wants to work. Now look at all these community, customer feedback, customer satisfaction, demographics, education, events, healthcare, human resources, industry specific, just for fun. Market research, nonprofit, political, quiz, or other. Do you respond to surveys? Let's see. What would that be? We'll call it just for fun. So that's there. Okay. My questions are already written. No, I didn't write the questions yet. So then you have that. One question at a time. Classic. Conversation. We'll go one question at a time. We'll choose that. Okay. And then we'll go to create the survey. Now it's creating the survey. There we go. There we go. Do you respond to surveys? Enter your question. Do we want it multiple choice? See, enter your question. You go here. And then you have a choice. Another drop down, multiple choice. You want to choose how you. Let's see. See here. Where is it here? See what we got. Okay. See what our choices are. This thing wants to work. This is always the hardest part. Is maneuvering this pointer onto where. And holding the camera. I do it all. Okay, yeah, we got drop down, matrix rating scale, ranking slider, multiple textbooks, contact date, time. Let's see. Multiple checkbox, star rating, file upload, single text box. You get all these choices, so you just choose. Let's see. So. My question is, do you respond to surveys? Well, basically, we'll do the drop down. We'll try drop down. Okay. So, enter your question. Okay. Oh, I should actually. You know what? I'm going to edit this because that's going to be my first question. Do you respond to surveys? So I'm going to edit this. Okay, now this is okay. Now I'm going to sit down. That's actually that's my first question. Do Let's see. Do you... But, you know, you don't need to go through the whole thing. What I'll do is I'll put in the stuff. Well, we'll see. Then you got to put in your question. Do you... No, that's respond. It was respond to... Do you respond to surveys? Okay. Then enter an answer choice. Okay, so we'll say we'll do yes. Then we'll go down here. You must have at least two choices. Well, of course, you know. Then you got no, and then we'll add another. We'll add another just for the third answer choice. Let's see. It depends on the Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so there you go. So now we got, do you respond to surveys? So we got yes, no, let's see. I think I made some mistake. Oh, okay. Yeah. Put my pens on the... Oops. Well, it should be, it depends on the number of questions. Let me see here. Let me just correct this. Oh. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. It depends on the number of questions. And then I think that's all we're going to do. Let's see here if we can move this down. See where we're going here. Okay, yeah. So then we're going to save it. Let me go here. Save. Save our question. Let's see here. Save. Let's see. Do you respond to surveys? Then I guess we do. And we got our thing here done. Let's see here. Okay, so then we click on that. We're done. And then we have done button, previous button, next button, then we go save. Okay, so let's see. So then there we go. Do you respond? Then we clicked on it, and there you go. And then you can answer, and there is no next questions though. So then should be able to answer it. Score this question. I don't know if it's going to work, but well, we can always try. Let's see. Do you respond to surveys? I'll say... I don't know where I have no idea. Let's see. Next. Done. Okay, so let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's see. There we go. It depends on the number of questions. Done. That's the end of the preview. Preview again, collect responses. Let's see, let's collect the responses. See if anything, how would you like to send your surveys? We'll say that, send your surveys by way. So you got your, how would you like to collect responses? You got email, get a web link to target responses, embed in a website, share in Messenger, post on social media, embed in mobile app, data manually, kiosk survey. I mean, you got a lot of options. I've been getting the web link. See, and then so then you can download the code, or you can copy the web link. So, I usually do both, and I will do that at a future soon. I'll be sending the web link and the code to everybody. So that's the basic tutorial. I know it's a little rocky, doing everything. It's hard to hold the camera and navigate and type in the questions and stuff, but I hope this was all informative, and it's your option to watch it. I can imagine there will be no views on this. So I'll see you in the future.